In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly remove a green screen background in CapCut. First, make sure you've imported both your background video and the green screen clip. Drag the background video onto the timeline. Then drag your green screen clip and place it on the track above the background clip. This way, the green screen subject is layered on top. Now, select the green screen clip on your timeline. Then go to the Video tab and click on Remove Background. Here, you'll see the Chroma Key option. Click on it. Next, use the Color Picker tool and click on the green background in your video. This tells CapCut which color to remove. Now adjust the strength slider to clean up the background. You can zoom in using the magnifying glass to check the edges and reposition the view with the hand tool if needed. You can also move the subject anywhere on screen, like the bottom right corner. Just click and drag the clip in the preview window. You can even resize it to make it smaller or larger depending on the layout you want. And that's how you remove a green screen in CapCut and blend clips together.